Hello everyone and welcome back. So in today's lecture we'll understand what is the work of economist in the economy. एक इकोनॉमिस्ट इकोनॉमी के लिए क्या करते हैं हम इस लेक्चर में आज के समझेंगे. इकोनॉमिस्ट सिर्फ बोरिंग ग्राफ्स नहीं बनाते हैं, वो एक तरीके के इकोनॉमिक डॉक्टर होते हैं. जब भी इकोनॉमी बीमार हुए, इन्फ्लेशन, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, पॉवर्टी बहुत हद से ज़्यादा बढ़ जाए तो वो उस पर कैसे कंट्रोल लाया जाएगा ये सब सजेस्ट करते हैं, डेटा कलेक्ट करते हैं, अकॉर्डिंगली सोल्यूशन भी बताते हैं. For example, if price of onion, petrol or any essential commodity will increase in the market, so economists will find out the reason behind it. They will collect the data, analyze the trend and accordingly find out ways and means to solve this particular problem. So economists कहाँ काम करते हैं? They work in all different organizations and departments, from government to all the banks and from World Bank to all the private companies. They work in several departments altogether. So in short हमें क्या समझ में आया? इकोनॉमिस्ट देश के और किसी भी कंपनी के स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए काम करते हैं. दे कलेक्ट डेटा, दे फाइंड आउट द रीजन बिहाइंड द प्रॉब्लम एंड ऑल्सो सजेस्ट सोल्यूशन फॉर ऑल द प्रॉब्लम. So let's begin with the textbook reading. We will read page number 171. The topic for today is what do economists do? Only these two paragraphs we'll cover today. So let's start with the reading. The first paragraph. Economists examine how individual businesses, government use limited resources to satisfy unlimited wants. So as we know, scarcity exists everywhere. Always resources are less as compared to the human wants and desire that is always unlimited. So because of this imbalance, we know we have scarcity in the economy, right? So what the economists are going to do, they will just examine how individual businesses and all different organization and government department and everybody, how they're using the limited resource to satisfy unlimited want. Then it is given, they analyze how decisions are made regarding production, distribution, consumption of goods and services. So they will see, they will analyze how production, distribution, consumption decisions are made according by the individual, by the business, by the government, by different organization. जैसे हम एग्जाम्पल ले सकते हैं, for doing production either you can use more of machinery or you can use more of labor, or with the same piece of land either you can grow wheat or you can grow sugarcane. So we have so many options. So they analyze whether we have taken the right decision or not. Then it is given in the paragraph, their work helps in analyzing problem and recommend solutions or policy to improve the standard of living in a country. So basically उनका काम यही होता है कि हर इंसान, कंट्री का, देश का, बिजनेस का फाइनेंशियल स्टेटस, स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग पहले से इम्प्रूव करना. सो हियर इन ब्रीफ दे आर गिवन व्हाट इज द वर्क ऑफ एन इकोनॉमिस्ट इन द इकोनॉमी. Then after this paragraph, they have taken several examples to explain how economists are going to handle certain problems and tell solution for the problems. The main role of an economist is to study how economies function and suggest ways to improve economic condition. So basically वो economic condition ही improve करते हैं, standard of living ही improve करेंगे, चाहे वो देश का हो या इंसान का हो, business का हो, किसी का भी हो. They collect data, analyze trend. So how they are going to actually do that? They will collect data, analyze trend, use logical reasoning to understand issues such as inflation, unemployment, poverty and economic growth. So let's quickly understand what these words actually mean. Inflation simply means rise in price. When price of certain item they sharply rise in the market, it is called as inflation. Then the next word is unemployment. What is unemployment? When a person is willing to do the work but not able to find a job, it is called as unemployment. The next word is poverty. Poverty का मतलब क्या होता है? Poverty basically means गरीबी. गरीबी, that means when a person is not able to satisfy the basic needs of life, that is food, clothing, shelter. So economists ये सारी problem में help out करते हैं. They try to find out the reason behind such problem in the economy and suggest ways and means by which this problem can be solved and वो economic condition हर इंसान की country की पहले से improve हो जाए. Then here we have certain example to explain the same thing. So first example, starting with the first example, when price of essential goods like onion, petrol rise sharply, economists study the reason behind the increase and suggest solution. So when price increase in the market, they will again try to find out the reason behind it and tell ways and means to solve this particular problem. If unemployment is rising, economists analyze a cause and recommend policies such as skill development,
प्रोग्राम और इन्वेस्टमेंट इन इंडस्ट्री। सो जब बेरोज़गारी बहुत बढ़ेगी तो ऑब्वियसली उनको इंडस्ट्रीज़ में ज़्यादा इन्वेस्ट करना पड़ेगा। नॉर्मली द प्रॉब्लम इन द इकोनॉमी इज़ द पीपल हैव theoretical knowledge but they don't have the practical knowledge of it। तो स्किल बेस्ड प्रोग्राम वो और यंगस्टर्स को इंट्रोड्यूस कर सकते हैं जिससे उनको बहुत ईजिली जॉब मिल जाए। The next point, during a recession, economists advise government to increase spending and reduce tax to boost economic activity। So recession में basically हर चीज़ बहुत slow down हो जाता है, तो वो help करेंगे गवर्नमेंट को, उनको बताएंगे कि कैसे economic condition पहले से better कर सकते हैं, टैक्स कम किया जाए और spending बेसिक चीज़ों में population पे करी जाए। So economists कहाँ कहाँ काम करते हैं? It is given in the last paragraph here। Economists work in many sectors such as government department, bank, research institution, international organizations like the World Bank or private companies। So in today's lecture we have basically understood what the economists are going to do in the economy, उनका मेन काम क्या होता है, क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम वो सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करते हैं और किस किस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में डिपार्टमेंट में वो काम करते हैं। बट स्टिल इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट फील फ्री टू आस्क, यू कैन राइट दैट इन द कमेंट बिलो।